how to use Auvik and how you can install Auvik on your system. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're a network admin or IT professional and looking for real-time visibility and easy network management, you are in the right place. In this video, we will guide you step by step through setting up Auvik, exploring its key feature and getting the most out of your network monitoring. So, if you don't know what is Auvik, so Auvik is cloud-based network management platform and it is designed to give IT team real-time insight into their network infrastructure with the features like automated network discovery, configuration backup and live topology map. Auvik is a deal for IT department, MSPCS and network administrator. You can sign up for free and start free trial. Now let's get started. In order to do that, first head over to this website which is Auvik, and if you scroll down a little bit and you will get to see show me my network map, and in the top right there is an option of start free trial. First you have to create an account. Just simply click on the start free trial. Now over here you have to enter your first name, then you have to enter your last name, the business email, phone number and company name. Then if you are to continue and agree to be contacted by Auvik, just simply click on to click this check button and click on this get free trial after filling out all the information. After filling out that form, you will be asked where to store your data. It's like one last step to see your network map. Just select the region. I'm in right now India. So what I will do, I will choose closest region. So European Union West or Central. Now enter your desired URL, maker, not that, maker. Then you have to enter your password and then click on the show me my network map. After filling out all the information related to your account, then we will give us some setups. From here, you can install collector on your Windows device. It is like it takes 10 minutes maybe, but we will go in, we will exit this step guide and we will explore more into dashboard. So if you want to install, just simply click on this install collector on the Windows device and it will install into it. Now, what I will do, I will just simply click on the exit setup guide. Now, this is our dashboard. So let's understand what is this. So you get the better understanding of your navigation and admin and support as well. So yeah, let's get started. Now, if you say in the left side, there is an option of navigation. Now, this is a home dashboard in the navigation. This is kind of overview of your network current status, including alert, device count, and bandwidth usage, as you can see here. And if you go into inventory, this so here you can list all discovered devices, routers, and switches, and also firewalls. It includes details devices data. So as you can see, all devices, all interfaces, all cloud control. So you get the idea. Now let's move to all alert. Here you can show a real-time and historical alert for issues like outstages, high CPU, or failed backup. Now let's move to hardware lifecycle. Here you can track the lifecycle status of your network hardware and end of life dates, support status as well. As you can see here, we have vendor suggested software and vendor device lifecycle information. If you go into that and you will get the information. So right now, Auvik collector cannot be found because I haven't installed yet. So don't worry, we will install. Then let's move to documentation. Here you can access Auvik's support resources or internal documentation about your network setup. Now let's move to debug. From here, you can use tool for troubleshooting or advanced diagnostic during setup or issue resolution. Now let's move to audit log. In the audit log, logs are all administrative actions, changes, logins, and device edit, etc. It is useful for compliance. Now let's move to traffic insights. Here you can see detailed view of your network traffic and partners and protocols used and top tracker. Now let's move to SaaS log. Here you can centralize log collection from network devices for easier event tracking and diagnostic. Now, if you scroll down a little bit, you will get to see there is a panel of admin. In the admin, you have a discovery. So discovery, this section helps you to discover network devices like router, switches, and like access point and other endpoint automatically. For example, you just onboarded a new office location. You can use the discovery tool to scan the new subnet and automatically pull in all devices on that network. Now let's move to integration. Integration allows you to connect with Auvik to other IT system or tools such as PSA, means Professional Service Automation tool. You can ticketing platforms or cloud services. Now for example, you can integrate Auvik with your Connect Voice Manage, so alert automatically generate support ticket. Now let's move to manage alert. Now, this menu lets you to set and edit and monitor alert condition for devices on your network. You can use subsection might include activities alert, uh, new alert as well. For example, you can set up high priority alert for router down, so your team immediately notified if critical device goes offline. Now let's move to manage and tags. Tags are used to organize and filter devices or user in your system based on attributes like location, device, and type or service type. For example, example you can tag all the firewall under the security device or tag device by region like New York office. Now let's move to manage user. You can control user account, roles, and permission from here. For example, you can add new user. As you can see, you can give a role as well. For example, if you want a junior technician to see network performance data but not change configuration, you can assign them or read only route. So let's move to endpoint. So this section is helps you to manage individual endpoint configuration or monitoring agents. For example, if you are monitoring remote work laptops, you can push or update endpoint monitoring agent from here. Now, this is Auvik collector. Now, Auvik collector are the on-site agent or appliances that collect network data from each environment and send it to your Auvik cloud. For example, your company has offices in New York and London. Each site would have its own Auvik collector that gather data locally and forward it to the dashboard. So after that, we have settings. This is an access general configuration setting for the Auvik platform. For example, you can set up wide preferences, enable two-factor authentication, or adjust alert threshold globally. So these are some basic setting into it. Now let's move to how you can install Auvik on your system. Now, to begin discovering your network, you will need to install the Auvik collector. Think of it as a bridge between your local environment and Auvik cloud platform. Now you have to click on it to this. Okay. Let's move to how you can install, from where you can access this home dash. Go back into home dashboard. Click on this install Auvik collector. You if you're not able to see that, what you have to do is just simply come on this Auvik collector over here. Right now we don't have a Auvik collector. Just simply click on the add Auvik collector. Now it will give you four options. So if you are using install Windows, you have to select this install one. Now click on the download, and as you can see, then you have to give the path and the location for your downloading. As you can see, you can install from your command line as well. Wait for a few seconds to install the Auvik installer. After the installation, just simply click on this Auvik installer and give the administration control. Wait few seconds to open Auvik. Now over here, you have to authenticate yourself. You have to enter the email address, then you have to enter the API keys, then site this collector is on. And now then you have to choose path, folder, and then install it. First, I will give my email address. Now over here, you have to enter your API key. In order to access your API key, what you have to do, get back to your cloud Auvik, scroll down and click on your profile icon. And if you scroll down a little bit, you will get to see there is an option of API keys. And in that section, you have to click on this generate. Now just copy and save it. And let's move back to our application and paste it over here. You have to authenticate. Click on authenticate. You have to enter email, API key, and URL. Don't. Okay, you have to enter the API key and then click on this authenticate. Okay, you have to copy the domain prefix from your cloud uh, Auvik. Just copy this and paste it into your application. Make sure you have copy and pasted in the right way. Click on the authenticate. Now over here you have to choose a folder from, I will choose by default. Now click on the confirm and it will start installing. As you can see here, we have successfully installed our OX. Now click on the finish. Once it install, the collector automatically begin scanning your network. To enhance discovery, you can enter SNP credentials. This helps Auvik to gather richer data. Where within a minute, device will start populating the live network map. You will see visuals, representation, and switches, routers, servers, and more updated into your time. As you can see here in the discovery, we have this three IP addresses, as you can Superman local and device name, as you can see here. Now, so this is basically a basic overview of Auvik. I have explained the dashboard. I have demonstrated how you can sign up and how you can get the free trial and how you can install into your system. So that's it for today's tutorial. If you found this tutorial helpful and informative, just simply like this video and comment it down if you want more deeper way. If you want to explore more features, just simply comment it down. I will make a tutorial for that too. If you have a question, comment it down. I will try to answer that. Thanks for watching.